Why do business owners hate money so much? I'm still wondering why most people prefer to leave huge amounts of money on the table than to do little stuff that add significant ROI to their business. Hi guys, Henry here with another value-packed video. Today we are talking about WhatsApp, how WhatsApp can boost your customer engagement by adding WhatsApp to your System.io widget in just few minutes. Yet most people don't do this simple stuff to just increase their business potential by over 100%. Now, in case you don't understand what I'm talking about, let me give you a refresher. Do you know that WhatsApp users is projected to be about 3.2 billion by the end of 2025? Yes, and the funny thing about WhatsApp is that 83% of users open their WhatsApp daily. So which simply means that WhatsApp is a significant market that you are not supposed to be playing with the fact that you have about 180 countries using WhatsApp as of today. So we're not talking about a small platform, we're talking about literally a platform that is changing life. So many people are making money from WhatsApp. But I wonder why people don't like money. Business owners, I see a lot of websites without WhatsApp button that you can have direct connection with your clients, with your customers. Now, integrating WhatsApp into your System.io website allows instant communication, improving trust and conversion. This is true for every website at all. Now, I know why most of you using System.io are not able to do it, because in System.io, it is not easy. There is no plugin to just plug and play so that you can just have that widget by yourself. Good, but that is why I am making this video, because I'm going to show you step by step what you can do right now, literally on your website, and start closing deals immediately. If you are wondering what is the benefit of having WhatsApp, I will tell you right away. It's so important. Look at it here. Now, if you have WhatsApp integrated, you literally have a better connection because it's an instant way of communication. We all know that. Facebook is not even as instant as WhatsApp. We are talking about 83% of people open their WhatsApp every day. So there's no how people will miss it. You're going to have more inquiries coming in if you integrate WhatsApp properly to your website. And I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. Then WhatsApp can literally be your lead generation machine, whereby customers keep coming in every day and you are selecting who is the best customer that fits for your service. And as a result of that, you begin to close more sales. If you do this correctly, like I'm going to show you right now, you have a very fantastic, robust system that generates traffic for you every single day on your System.io website. It will take us 3 steps. Step number 1 is we will go to this website, F-site, that is where we are going to go to. Then after we go to that website, on that website, we are going to sign up to get a WhatsApp link and do the configuration. Once you sign up, we take it back to System.io, and voila, we will have our WhatsApp ready on our site for we to start chatting with our customer. So let us head into my system right now. Let me walk you through the entire process that you follow, because these videos, like you know how I do my videos, I will illustrate and I will show you what to do. So the first thing is go to F Insight. I'll just copy it. Let's copy it. Let me show you. So let's head on to this particular website, F Insight, right? Just type this on Google, F Insight. The moment you type it, it will show like this for you. Click here, click anyone that comes up, click it, and it will open the site for you. The first thing you want to do, you want to put your email here. You want to sign up with your email address, right? Let me use one of my email address. I just want you to sign up. And just take this, and you just click sign up, and it will open another box for you where you complete your sign up. So this will literally take you few minutes. So in few minutes you are done signing up, you have your account. So what do? First thing you want to do, go to WhatsApp chat. Look at it here, WhatsApp chat. You have other kind of chat that you can have here. This website is very good. I recommend it for most of your chatting app or your chat to your website. Very fantastic website. So go click this particular WhatsApp. You can click from there, or you can even go to the right hand side and also click. Now once we select WhatsApp, it will bring us to this template part. On this template part, we want to select the best thing. When you come to this place, you have to put your phone number here. So you just put your phone number here. Make sure you put it with the extension publish. Now when you click publish, it's gonna take you to the next interface. Now on this next interface, they are trying to see if they can sell you to their premium package. You don't need that premium package for now. Just click select this free package. Once you click select free package, it will bring you to another dashboard where you can start your customization. Everything here is click. Very easy. Now once we do that, look at, you see the code. They gave us the code that we need because it's as easy as this. Now you can still continue to edit or do some other stuff, but I just recommend you, once you have this code, copy this code. Now for some of you who are asking, you have option to be able to actually edit how everything appears. Let's go back. If you want to edit it, click here. Let's click edit. When you are here, you see this place, you can come to this content, right? Under content here, you can choose here to select picture. I can just click on the picture. I can select a picture that I want here from library, or upload my own pictures. So let me just change it to this guy here. I like the guy's look. And you click here, okay for me. Yeah, it's okay for me. Come down, you want to change the write-up, free ebook for coaches. What else? Nothing else to change. We are good to go. And you can go to settings. Under settings, you don't change the position where you want it to be, on the left, on the right, how you want it to be. Like you can just, you want it to be on the top. You see all these things, you can play around with them, right? After all this, you can put it in the middle or to the left hand side of your website. This, just put it over the right hand side, and let's come here. Appearance, you can change colors, play around with them if you want to. When you are done, just click publish. So once you click publish, just come back here and say close. When you click close, come back here, you will see install. Click on install, click this place to copy, or you can just do like this to copy. Once you copy, we'll go back to Systeme.io, and this is where the magic happens. So as you can see, we are done with step 1 and step 2. So it's just for us to paste the code in Systeme.io. So we'll just head on to Systeme.io. So go to your Systeme.io account. Now, if you are hearing about Systeme.io for the first time, this is a wonderful platform and it's free to start and launch your online business, or to even grow your online business. You can create funnels, can create landing pages, can create all sorts of stuff. So right now, what we want to do, we want to come here and put the code that I copied from Elf site. So what you want to do is you just come to the left hand side like this, look for custom HTML. When you see the custom HTML, copy it and put it at the bottom like this. Boom. The moment you put it at the bottom, it will show Systeme.io like this. Click on it and you will see edit code. Click on edit code. You will notice that you have this thing here. Highlight everything. Just highlight everything like this, or use Ctrl A and clean everything up. Then paste the code you copied from Elf website and just click save. The moment you click save, come over to Systeme.io account, click save here as well. Click on this save as well. So when you are here, you click on this save, click here to open your website. My own is already open. Once my website is open, once you refresh, you will see the button will just pop up here because we selected right to refresh properly for the WhatsApp button to pop up. And you will see that people can now chat to you, people can reach out to you on your Systeme.io account, despite the fact that you don't have plugins, but you have gotten this stuff right now. Good. Now people can literally click here. When they click here, it will open for them and they will chat us on WhatsApp. And that is how you integrate WhatsApp to your Systeme.io account. And make sure you do this because this is so important, so key to your business. If you are thinking about how you can start your online business, or you want to grow your business with the online tools, I recommend Systeme.io and other tools. Watch this video here on how to automate. If you already have a website, how to automate it and start making money online with free traffic on Google. Or go and watch the other video on how you can create your own website in 5 minutes. See you on the other side.